Hey guys, my name is Robert. I want to say thanks for coming to the channel. If you haven't been here before, check out my videos. If there's anything you like and you like this channel that much, please hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate the support. And if you've been here before, thanks for coming back. Really appreciate it. So people keep on asking me, how did I get the wiring so clean up on the roof rack? And that's what the video is about. Just a quick video, some tips about how to do that. And here we go. Alright guys, like I said, it's a super quick video. As you can see here on this roof rack up top overland, I have a Baja Designs Onyx 6 40-inch light bar, and I have two rock lights from Baja Designs on each side. And a lot of people ask me again, how did you do it so cleanly? I don't see a lot of wires and stuff, clutter. So there's two ways to do it. I've seen people run wires come up here and then run it back here and then start to run the wires. I did the opposite. So I look for the shortest distance possible if I can. So what I did is that I ran the wire, hopefully you can see that, I ran the wire down this rubber. This is just rubber, you could just run it. I ran the wire down the rubber, came up just the window molding, one on each side, because I did one switch to control the light bar and one switch to control my side lights. I just ran it in there and stuck it in there. That's it. That's how easy it is. So you can see how clean it is. I just kind of go up here, kind of push it in there. You can use a putty knife, a plastic putty knife, credit card, something plastic. Do not use anything metal or you're going to ruin your plastic. But basically it's stuck in here. It's never fallen off. And then I'll get it in here. It doesn't matter what roof rack you have. I remove the molding. Some people like to keep them. It's up to you. But I remove the molding because it's just cosmetic. And then I just ran the wiring. Either it went to the light bar here. I'd used the rail up here as actually an inset too to go across. So let me get up here so you guys can see. So I had my harness, a little bit ugly up here. These are harnesses that I crimped together and I put it behind the side panel, and zip ties. So zip ties are important. You want to get that to have a nice clean area. And you can see I just ran it along and then zip tied it. That's it. So you just zip tied it. Just run it along, try to run behind things. And like I said, I did the shortcut, you know, that I ran this wire right across there, see? And I did the same thing on the other side. Let me zoom it there so you guys can see. See? So everything's behind. It doesn't look so pretty, but when everything's behind, it's not too bad, right? So that's why I did zip ties, zip ties, zip ties. So that's it. That's how you can make it as clean as possible. You can't really do much. You can work on the harnesses a little bit better. My harnesses I had used on my Prinzu, I didn't feel like cutting it and recrimping everything, so it's a little bit messy here, but I was able to hide it there. I also had the Max Track recovery boards here, so that was going to hide it a little bit, and then also the Pelican case over there. So again, so that's the quick tip. That's the secret how to get the clean wiring. Any questions or comments, post below. And like I said, if you haven't subscribed, please do. I appreciate all the support. Thanks again, guys. Peace out.